Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in previous video we have seen that what is programming. Programming is the set of instruction that tells computer how to perform a task, or it is a combination of input, output and processing. And why we need to learn programming languages, because computer only knows binary language, and it is very hard to learn and understand by humans. That's why we use programming languages. And so in this video we will see the levels of programming languages. So let's get started. There are low level programming languages and high level programming languages. So in low level programming languages there is machine language and assembly language. Let's get started with the machine language. Machine level language, it is machine oriented language and it is very close to the hardware. Like, to write a program in machine level language we need extensive knowledge of the system architecture, that is CPU, because the computer is responsible for the computational task, and every CPU has different architecture. Like we can say that some set of CPUs have same architecture. So the program you have written in the machine level language, it is not portable, and the machine level language is system dependent. And we write a code in machine level language which is in binary form or in binary code, like in the form of zeros and one. So it is very difficult to learn and understand by humans. But there is one advantage of the machine level language, is we have already written code in machine code, so we don't need to convert that code. So the execution speed of the machine level language is fast. So the next language is assembly language, and assembly language is easy to understand by human as compared to the machine language. It is not that much easy, but it is, as compared to the machine language, it is little bit easy. And in assembly language, data can be represented with the help of mnemonics. Like if you want to add numbers, then we use add. Therefore subtraction we use sub. So it is easy to memorize, and the execution is slow as compared to the machine language, because we have written code in assembly language and we have to convert that code into the machine code. So it is little bit slower than machine language. And assembly language, it is machine dependent and it is not portable, because it is designed for the specific computer architecture. So we can't run the program written for the one machine, we can't run that program for the different machine. We have to do some changes and then we can execute that file in different machine. So we have seen that in machine language and in assembly language, these codes are not portable and it is not easy to understand by humans. So to overcome these drawbacks, next language comes high level language. It is high level language, it is close to humans. It is more or less machine dependent, and sometimes it is operating system dependent. Like the code you have written in Windows, you can't run that code into iOS. And high level language is human friendly, it is easy to write, read and maintain. Because in high level language they more focus on the usability. It deals with the variable, functions, loops, mathematical expressions and alphabets. Like if you want to add two numbers, they will use plus sign. For subtraction we use negative sign. And the execution speed of the low level language is slower, because we have written code in a high level language and we have to convert that code into machine code. So we use compiler and interpreter to convert that code. So we will see what is compiler, interpreter and assembler in next video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care, bye bye and study hard.